guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be trying 5 hairstyles from 5-minute hair hacks. So let's get started. So yeah, I have combed my hair and removed all the knots, and I have so many rubber bands, pins, because I'm really not sure, like, you know, the videos they show, it's just they do this and they show it only with one rubber band and it's done. I really doubt if they just use one rubber band, so I'm not sure and I don't trust them. So I have many rubber bands and many pins just in case. Also, I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little cracked because I was not well, and that cold voice is not really like completely gone. So I still sound a little cracked, so sorry. Either they have for a very long hair or they have very short hair. Okay, so I'm supposed to select few and then see. I don't know if I am too dumb or is that they do it very fast, because I feel I have to watch this video at least like 2 to 5 times to understand what they're doing and how they're doing. Okay, so let's see the first one. It looks easy only, you know? Right now, I just feel I look dumb, but I don't have a very small rubber band like she uses, but let's try. It's like I'm tying a scarf. This is supposed to be 5 minutes, but I just feel it's gonna take more time. But anyway. Ooh, okay. Finally. I'm proud of myself for doing this, but I don't know. I just feel it looks very weird and it feels very weird. I mean, it looks good, but probably you have to take the layer a little more so that it looks more like, you know, like this. Anyway, so this is hairstyle number 1. Let me comment down and let me know what do you think about this. But I don't know if I will be trying it when I go out. Or probably I'm just going to, you know, customize this hairstyle and do it in my own way. I would just rate it 5.5 out of 10. Like, it's really not a pleasing hairstyle. I mean, anyways, let's move on to the second one. Okay, so this is something similar to the first one we did, but it's just that I don't know how it looks so neat on them, or it's just that I'm too dumb. But anyways, we'll try it. So it's like the first one. I'll just watch it again. I can't get it on the first time, bro. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna be tying it like this. I really wish I had small rubber bands. Okay, then oh wow. I mean, this is very similar to one, but how does it look so neat on them? Probably it's looking a little weird because of the rubber bands I'm using, but this is how it is. This is more a little okay than the first one. Probably it's because of a little thick layer, as I said before. Anyways, I would rate it 6.5. Nothing great because it's very similar to the first one. It's just that I've taken a little thick layer than the first one. So let's move on to the third one. This looks interesting and it looks very easy. But I don't know why, only when they do, it looks so easy and it looks so good. Okay, I have a pencil with me right now. Pencil is ready and I am ready. Okay, this is third one. I know she's wearing a very fancy clip which I don't have. I'm just using what I have. I think this is the good one, at least for now I've tried. I just feel I look like a school kid in this, but as a hairstyle it's good. So I would rate it 7 out of 10. At least it's not a bad one. So yeah. So let's move on to the fourth one. This is 5 minutes. Why do they finish it off in 5 seconds? And also that wig hair is so thicker than my hair. It looks so healthy. So she ties a ponytail and again almost at the end puts another rubber band, pulls it forward and then ties it. That's how simple it is, but I don't know why when I start doing it everything starts getting complicated. So I've tied pony. So next she does is she puts another rubber band almost like over here, but I have short hair in layers. This probably might be a little weird because I have layers. So, dude, but this kind of hairstyle I wear when I go before my bath only, I put good bun and go. This is, so I did it, but dude, if you have this hair, baby hair growing and you want to try this, it's not for you. This gives you a lot of tasks to do. This is how it is. I have 3 to 4 pins inside there just to protect it so that it doesn't fall down. I think this is one of the worst one which I've tried so far. Also this hair just keeps popping up. Okay, I would rate this probably just 4 out of 10 because it's a lot of, it consumes a lot of time and it's not satisfactory. You have to put in a lot of effort for this. No, this is really not the best one to try, I feel. Anyways, let's move on to fifth one, which is going to be the last one. Another pony. Oh, okay. Okay. So she ties 2 ponytails. Again, at the end, another rubber band. Tuck, 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 tish, tuck, 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 tish. Let's try. Okay, so far I look good. I look like a schoolgirl. So this is done. This is just gone back and this is forward. Also, just let me just tell you, I have 2 bobby pins or Q-pins, whichever you call, and 2 pins just securing over here, and I'm very sure she has used a multiple of pins just to make it look more intact. As a hairstyle, I think I would rate it 9. But I'm not obviously going to wear it, I feel. I'm not going to wear this hairstyle anywhere and go out. I think this hairstyle will look very cute on children. Whoever, if you like it, if you're not a child, if you still like to wear it, then I'm absolutely fine with it. But personally, for me, I would not wear this and go anywhere. Because also, I just feel this thing can come down any minute now. We are finally done with 5. So if you ask me which I'm going to be using it on a daily basis or anywhere, anytime, probably the second one for sure, because it felt more doable and it's easy and it looks good. And also the first one, but as I said, a little more customized way. But also the third one, because it was quite easy. But yeah, 1, 2, 3 for sure, probably yes. Fourth one, hell no. And fifth one, probably I might try it on my cousins because it looks so cute on children, I feel. Okay, finally we have come to the end of this video and my hair is already shouting at me, like please leave me alone. How much torture I've given to my hair today. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I had a lot of fun doing this video. Also comment down below which hairstyle would you try, whenever if you're going out, otherwise which you think you will be trying. Just let me know in the comment section below. Also let me down in the comment section below what kind of videos you want me to do, that you want to watch, so that I will make sure I will do that and I will post them. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you can get notified each time I upload a new video and it really means a lot to me. I will meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.